final step before we put this into the oven, this is what's going to give it a bit more flavor. It will be adequate the way it is now, but not all that flavorful. What we need is a couple of onions, so 2 onions, and you want to chop them up nice and thin. Finely chop those onions. Then you want 1 piece of celery off of your stalk. So you just need 1 piece of celery, and you'll chop that up as we have here on the plate as well. Now while you're preparing this, good idea to, of course, preheat your oven. You'll want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And as you're just preparing this, that'll give a chance for the oven to heat up. But we've got this cut up, so all we have to do now is combine the celery and the onion into our mixture here. And again, you want to take that and just mix it around so that everything is evenly distributed, so that when it's in the oven, it will all have a chance to cook really well, but it's consistently spread out on top of the rice. That's what's going to give it a little added extra flavor. So I'll see you in the next clip with our finished product.